birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Good morning, good afternoon to all of you here, especially my beautiful sister Jan. Sis Jan, happy birthday. God bless and good health always. Don't forget your FK sister is here for you, okay? Whatever happened here in Amo, the friendship is always strong together, but always enjoy laughing, and marites sometimes the mood, samaan ng loob hindi nawawala, but the friendship is strong. Okay? So, yeah. So, mo naman, I'm not good to speak in English, but, I try my best. But, I'm happy for that, no? Then, thank you so much for always teaching me what I'm doing, what I'm saying. So, I appreciate too much. Yeah, but don't forget, your love life, your happiness is, of course, your guy is always beside you. I know that. But I can say, I love you, mwah. I love you so much, my beautiful sister Jan. Happy birthday, and always God bless and God health. Yeah. I want to sing with you, happy birthday, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang handaan, sa'yo ang inuman, happy birthday. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Hello, Dajan. How are you? Today is your special day. It's your birthday. I just want to greet you a happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best in life, good health, and love life. Hope soon you will find your special someone to be with. And no matter what happens, we are sisters. May God bless you always and take care. Love you, Dajan.
Happy birthday, Sister Chan.